Welcome to the Hotel SOPs training series. In this video, you'll learn the 12-category laundry sorting system that keeps hotel linens clean, safe, and looking new. This system starts the moment laundry arrives in the laundry room. Always wear gloves and never place laundry directly on the floor. First, remove any foreign objects. Check pockets, pillowcases, and duvet covers for keys, pens, or guest items. Set found items aside according to your hotel's lost and found policy. Now, let's sort into our 12 categories. Category 1, bed sheets. Flat sheets and fitted sheets that guests sleep on. Category 2, duvet covers and comforter covers. These need careful handling to avoid damage. Category 3, pillowcases and shams. All pillow covers used in guest rooms. Category 4, bath towels. Standard bath towels only. Category 5, hand towels and face cloths. Smaller towels used in bathrooms. Category 6, bath mats. These are thicker and often dirtier, so they need a separate cycle. Category 7, pool and spa towels. These may contain chlorine or oils and must be washed apart from room towels. Category 8, restaurant and banquet linens, tablecloths, napkins, and restaurant towels. Category 9, kitchen linens, chef coats, aprons, and kitchen towels. These can be heavily soiled with grease. Category 10, guest personal laundry, whites. Items marked for guest laundry service that are white or light. Category 11, guest personal laundry, colors and delicates. Color items, mixed fabrics, and anything labeled delicate. Category 12, heavily stained or contaminated items. For example, items with blood, vomit, or heavy makeup. These follow your hotel's special disinfection procedure. Always check care labels before washing. Separate any item that needs special treatment, like low temperature or gentle cycle. Pre-treat visible stains before the wash. Never mix contaminated items with regular hotel linens. Before sending to the washing machines, confirm each bag or cart contains only one category. Label clearly if your hotel requires tags or tracking. Using this 12-category system prevents damage, improves hygiene, and extends the life of your linens. If you'd like to create your own custom SOP training videos for your hotel, go to vidfactory.ai and get started today.